let's talk about how to use the better half to supersize your business. I don't know why I'm so big, but I am definitely huge in this video today with weird twin heads. Better half, this is one of those idioms that's been around since the 16th or 17th century. Back in the days of the Puritans in the 16th and 17th century, they were English Protestants and they had very strict religious beliefs where they believed, oh my God, I'm so big, that there were two halves of each individual. Each person was made up of two halves, the body and the soul. And of course, the soul was the better half because our soul was our spiritual being. It was who we were spiritually. And later on, Sir Philip Sidney, a gentleman in the, I don't remember when he was from, but he believed and defined marriage as two halves. And in marriage, the two people that came together to join forces and become one in the relationship of marriage back then was whoever the better person, the better human being was. And I don't know how they defined it or decided that, who was better, I suppose more religious, more pure, more spiritual or whatever. That person was the better half. And over time, the expression came to be a compliment where you would introduce or describe your partner in life, usually, as the better half. During the time when this book was written, it almost always applied to the wife, where the man would be saying, and I don't know why, probably because when it was written, there were more men in the workforce than there are now, but I know I remember introducing my now ex-husband as my better half on occasion. But there's some things about this idiom, like all of them, that we can interpret and mean the way we want. And this one always kind of bothered me because it automatically assumes that there's like this competition. It's like business. We assume that there's competition between all the people that are in a similar business, and there really isn't. If we're serving our people to the best of our ability, if we're treating them like our customers, like they're our better half, and we're making sure that they have an incredible experience, then they'll stay with us even if there is competition, even if somebody comes along the road. And that's what we want to create in our businesses. One of the things we want to do is make sure we're treating people the way that they want to be treated. Not just our customers, but our employees and our business partners and our vendors and our suppliers, vendors, delivery mechanisms as best we can. We want to treat people the way that we want to be treated. And when you do that, guess what? People will come to you. They'll automatically want to do business with you. So better half. I've got mixed feelings and mixed emotions about this particular idiom and saying. Would love to know your experience with it. Have you ever been introduced as somebody's better half? Have you ever used the expression, used the idiom? Have you ever introduced your partner as your better half? Again, I think that it breeds competition in all the different areas and aspects of our life. How do you know if somebody is better than another? And then you could get into the whole subjective, well, we need to rank things to know whatever. And I'm like, yeah, do we really? Some things yes, some things no. If we're always continually improving and showing up and being the example and being the best version of ourselves, do we need to compare ourselves to others? Absolutely not. Because guess what? Despite the two heads, there's really only one me. Let's see if I can put me together. Oh, that makes a funky nose, right? Oh, wouldn't that be terrible? All right, have an awesome day, and I'll, of course, be with you tomorrow with another interesting idiom. What does it mean? Where does it come from? And how might you use it to enhance and grow and supersize your business? Take care. Bye.